Namaste Karmayogi. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to access and use the MDO dashboard on the iGOT Karmayogi platform. To start, please log in to the MDO portal using your MDO leader or admin login details. If you do not have these credentials, you can reach out to us at mission.karmayogi@gov.in. Please note that the MDO dashboard will not open in an incognito or private browser. Always log in using a normal browser window. Also, only MDO leaders or admins with government email IDs will be able to access the dashboard. After you have logged in, press the dashboard icon at the top right corner of your screen. That will lead you to the dashboard, where you can see the status of your state, ministry, department, and organization. Let us now see how to use the dashboard with ease. To search for your MDO's information, click on the Filters option on the top right. There are numbers of filters available to guide you in the customizing the view according to your needs. Begin by choosing your ministry. For example, let us consider that we are using the example of the Ministry of Railways. Just write down the name of the ministry and choose it. Once chosen, the ministry can drill further into the status of its organization and departments through the use of further filters. For instance, let us examine the status of Northern Railways under the Ministry of Railways. We are also able to drill further down into an individual organization like Delhi Division under Northern Railways. Kindly note that you will only be able to access the data of your organization and the organizations under you. For example, Northern Railways cannot view data for the entire Ministry of Railways, and the Delhi Division cannot access the entire Northern Railways data. Once you have entered these details, press the blue Update button at the top. The dashboard now shows some key information such as onboarded users in the Delhi Division, officials who have enrolled for at least one course, officials who have completed at least one course, and overall enrollment and completion by the department. While scrolling down, you will get the User Management tab. This part will display the mode of registration of the users, which will tell us how many officials have registered through their government email and how many through their personal email IDs. You will also be able to see the verification status of the users, which will tell you how many officials have filled their profile on the iGOT Karmayogi platform and how many of them have not. Please remember that it is essential to update your profile on iGOT Karmayogi platform to validate authentication and to enable My iGOT feature, which will provide you with role-based course suggestions. You will also see the registration trend, which shows when the user were onboarded, and beneath that the group-wise and designation-wise onboarding information of the officials in your department. Proceeding further, you will notice the course consumption report. You will be able to view here a bar graph that reflects the number of officials who have finished 1 or more courses, 3 or more, 5 or more, and 10 or more courses. On the right side, you will see a list of the top courses consumed by the learners of your department and the number of your officials' completion. Immediately below this, the trend in activity shows a summary of course completions over time. On the right side, you will also see the total onboarding status of your department, the activity and completion percentage of your officials, and the number of learning hours completed. Then you can view the MDO-wise activity of your ministry. For instance, if you have chosen the Ministry of Railways as your filter only, you can view the status of all its departments and organization here. Next, you will observe the user activity summary, which shows the detail of all officials in your department, and the user-wise consumption details, which give a list of every official who has taken a course and the corresponding dates. To download a report, Click the three dots at the top right, go to the download data and select Excel spreadsheet as the option. For a more comprehensive report, click on the advanced data option. Choose all results from the number of rows to include section and then click download. Wait for the report to download and then open the Excel file once done to see the data. Do take note that some confidential information such as phone numbers and mail IDs will not be shown because of privacy rules. Additionally, the entire dashboard can be downloaded in a PDF format for ease of report creation and sharing. Click on the three dots at the top, navigate to download. To download a detailed report, click on the checkboxes as per your requirement, enabling you to expand the table to view all rows and the arrangements of segments of the dashboard in a single column. To refresh data or remove cache data from your dashboard, select Clean Cache and refresh from the three-dot option at the top. Let us now navigate to the other filters on your dashboard. The content type filter allows you to verify information for a specific course, event, blended program, and so on. For instance, to verify data for the course, Yoga Break at Workplace, go on the course. Under the course type, enter the course provider if required. Type the course title and update. You will then find all the details about the course in your department, such as number of enrollments and completions. The tag filter enables you to verify data with certain tags. For example, accounts on Rozgar Mela. You can, for example, just type Rozgar Mela and press enter and then click update to see the details of the officials tagged with Rozgar Mela in your department. The roles filter allows you to see the data for MDO leaders alone or the public, and you can check data by gender or employee ID using filters too. To filter data for a particular period, make use of the completed on by choosing is any value and then clicking update. You can see the data till date overall, or you can choose is on or after and then absolute or relative to filter data for a specific date or a specific number of months. For instance, by choosing absolute, selecting 31st December 2024 and clicking update, you will see the data of the year 2025 up to date. And that's it. That's the way you can effectively view the MDO dashboard, explore its filters and download reports to track the progress of your department under iGOT Karmayogi. Thank you for watching and we wish you a happy reporting on the learning journey of your officials.